Okay, Spencer Colgan here. Welcome back to my wallpaper and painting channel on YouTube. Here's a quick tip, and this is something that even professionals, forget from time to time. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you're hanging a paper, and then the ceiling height changes, only to regain its height over here. Okay, 10 feet, 9 feet, 10 feet. If you're not careful about doing what I'm about to show you, you could very well wind up with the head of this tiger. See that tiger at the top? 2 inches here from the top, but 3 to 4 inches from the top over here. And so what I suggest you do is to make sure, since you lose the level at the top, right? We're cutting it off. We were going with, you see that tiger there? You see his tail? All right, is this a tiger or a leopard? I don't know. Okay, now, you see that animal's tail right there? Follow it all around. That's my level line. In order to keep that true, since I lose the ceiling, I'm going to go down at some point, wherever I can put my level, and I'm going to make sure that something in this pattern, you see that? You see that little, whatever it is, that grass? That's what I want to do. Look at that. You see it over there? I'm losing it there. I'm above it. Here, this is what I'm talking about. See this thing? See that? The laser line cuts through and touches the top of this ball here, that ball. So I want to come over here and do the same thing. Okay? Let's get that laser line at the same point here as it is over here. Okay, so now my laser line is the same. Follow it, right in the center. Right in the center. Right in the center. Right in the center. Now I know that when I come around, my tiger tail at the very top should be the same all throughout. Okay, so you can see where we kept the levels down here the same as over here, because our natural level line, which is our ceiling, dropped down here, so we lost it. So we have to keep in mind that these animals have to be at the same level, because when we come around to over here, you don't want the tiger's head to be here at one level and the last sheet to be a couple of inches down. If you maintain this level all around the room at waist level or any level, you're going to be good at the end. Okay, there's your quick tip.